Dear participants and colleagues, my name is Guldana Sadikova. I am a PhD student of the Eurasian National University. My research topic for discussion today is the essence and factors of social-economical sustainability of the region. This topic is a part of the theoretical section of my dissertation devoted to the establishment of economic corridor between Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan. Let me brief you on the content of my presentation. The content includes introduction, definitions of such concepts as sustainability, sustainable development of the region, and social-economical sustainability, factors affecting social-economical sustainability, and conclusions. One of the sources of growth and the main components that have a great impact on the processes of socio-economic transformation in the country is the regional factor and the dynamic development of its regions. For the sustainable development of the country's economy, it is necessary to maintain the stability of final parameters of the development of production, social and economical indicators, not only of the entire country, but also of its regions, since no concept of the transition to sustainable development will bring to desired result without taking into account the regional component. The transition to sustainable development of the country as a whole is possible when sustainable development of all its regions is ensured. To determine it, it is necessary not only to assess the social, economic, and environmental situation of the regions, but also to analyze and diagnose the factors influencing these processes. In this regard, there is a need to study the factors of the social economical sustainability of the region. The sustainable development of the regions is one of the national policy priorities for Kazakhstan. Today, the relevance of improving the economic stability of the region is growing, and it is very important. Regions of Kazakhstan are heterogeneous in terms of the current state. In addition, they differ in changing trends in the main parameters of their further development. Some of them have significant economic potential, but due to the social processes taking place at the moment, including COVID-19, they risk to lose their social and economic sustainability, and such a challenge threatens not only Kazakhstan. Economic sustainability refers to practices that support sustained growth of the region's total income by at least 2% per year, without negative factors that can reduce it. Socioeconomic sustainability takes into account not only the socio-economic indicators of today, but also the future socioeconomic indicators of the region's development. Socioeconomic sustainability of a certain territory is a development aimed at meeting the needs of consumers at the present time with an increase in income above 2%. It is necessary to improve all its components in a particular region, as well as to make favorable use of factors that affect socio-economical sustainability. The purpose of the article is to study the essence and factors of socio-economical stability of the regions. According to the set goal, the main provisions and approaches to the definition of the concept of sustainability, sustainable development, socio-economic development of regions, and factors of socio-economical development of the regions were studied and analyzed. As mentioned above, the regional factor and the dynamic development of regions have a great influence on the processes of socio-economic transformation in the country. The region is influenced by various internal and external factors. They can cause both economic growth in the economy and the standard of living of the population, and a drop in the main socio-economic indicators of the regions. In this regard, to prevent the negative impact of these factors, it is necessary to ensure sustainable development of the region. As you know, in the literature there is no single generally accepted interpretation of the sustainable development and sustainable development of the region. In my research, I considered several authors providing definitions. For example, Uskova, systematizing various interpretations of sustainable development, identified the following main features of sustainability. Stability is integrity, safety, reliability, and strength of the economic systems. This definition was provided by Abalkin and his colleagues. A second definition is provided by Tchaikovsky and her colleagues. Stability is the ability of economic system to maintain a dynamic balance. The third definition is provided by Ilyasov and Gapanenko. Stability is the relative immutability and stability of the economic system. Stability is the ability of the economic system to develop. This was provided by Kalinchikov, Ozina, and Makarova. Also, Vasilenko considers sustainability as crisis-free or security of the development of the territory. Also, in the literature, there are different definitions of the essence of socio-economical sustainability of the region and its development. For example, Seleznев gives the following definition to the concept of sustainable development, as it is the solution of economic and social problems and the preservation of the source reserve of the environment to meet the needs of the future and current generations, focusing on the need for current management of balanced development. Troitsky and Gizatulin give the concept of sustainable development as the ability of environment to meet the needs of people. Some authors of the pragmatic approach, for example Grekov, define sustainable development as an improvement in the standard of living with a stable development of the region, ensuring economic reproduction and preservation of the natural and moral resources of the entire region. According to Tsapieva, the sustainability of a region's development is an indicator that depends on economic, social, and environmental sustainability in the regional system. The conceptual approach is presented in the works by U. Kalinchikov. He considered sustainable development as a balanced movement of the region in the development of the ecological, economic, social, and political spheres to balance to improve people's lives. Skopins considered the concept of sustainable development of the region as the development of the region, which is characterized by an improvement in the quality of life of the living population and contributes to the expanded reproduction of potentials. Some authors argue that in modern conditions, the socio-economic situation and development of the regions largely depend on sustainability of the functioning of the production, financial investment, and social sectors of the economy. Other authors associate the stability of the region with the revival of its normal social, economic, and political situation. According to Menshikova, the economic sustainability of the region is presented as an immanent category of territorial socio-economic organization, and the key factor of the economic sustainability of the region is self-sufficiency. According to Petrov and his colleagues, the sustainable development of the region is understood as such a state when the population is able to really improve their livelihood, feel the guarantees of stability, confidence for the future of their children. According to Loktev and Menshikova, the innovation potential of the region is considered as a necessary condition for the economic development of the region. Kretinin, considering the economic sustainability of the region, outlines the innovation and investment activity, financial sustainability, economic efficiency, environmental sustainability, and reproductive complexity as its main components. Other authors, considering the factors of sustainable development from all the factors of sustainable development, distinguish such factors as the need to ensure the possibility of high rates of economic development for future generations in the absence of threat of resource depletion. Depending on different views, the definition of socio-economic sustainability is provided. It is the state of the economic and social system with all resources taking into account the reduction of risks in production and sustainable performance of the subjects in a certain territory. Sustainable socio-economic resilience can refer either to the continued success of an economy over time, or more recently to the way an economy operates in a sustainable manner, protecting its social and economic elements. Socio-economic sustainability means a practice that leads to long-term growth of the region's economy without having a negative impact on the social, external, and other aspects of society. The external environment, society, and socio-economic development interact as a model of nested dependencies. Achieving socio-economic sustainability with a long-term perspective for the society is not possible without affecting political processes, state support, a stable exchange rate, cooperation, investment, and other, without the target being income of less than 2% unless it is recovering from a recession. One of the important features of socioeconomic sustainability is getting across to the majority of enterprises in the region. To be sustainable, a business must make a profit. Actions that fall under the economic framework include compliance, good governance, and risk management. Obtaining a limited resource to maximize profits entails serious environmental and social costs. Yes, profit is vital to the success of the region, but it cannot be at the expense of the other two components of the sustainability under consideration. Economic success is determined by the movement of goods and services. The examples above show that long-term success and instability are mutually exclusive. Sustainable socio-economic development of the region will not only lead to benefits that bear fruit year after year. There are many short-term benefits that directly lead to profitability. The transition to sustainable development of the country will be possible only when sustainable development of all regions is ensured. Formation of a strategy for sustainable development of regions is a difficult task. To determine sustainable development, systematic work is required to monitor and assess the social, economic, and environmental situation, to analyze and diagnose factors affecting these processes. Figure 1 illustrates the main factors affecting social-economic sustainability. According to the Figure 1, political stability, laws and rules. Political stability and the protection of private property were identified as the most important factors that encouraged firms to invest in national enterprises. Macroeconomic stability. Like political stability, macroeconomic stability encouraged investment and development. Infrastructure levels. For example, transport and communications. The higher and more developed the transport infrastructure and the other facilities, the more efficient the activity of the region. Levels and standards of education have a significant impact on labor productivity. Without basic literacy and numeracy, it is difficult for economy to develop from manual labor to new high-tech industries in the service sector. Savings capital levels. In growth models such as Harrod-Domar, savings and capital levels are seen as a key determinant of economic sustainability. The social-economic stability is also influenced by various direct and indirect factors. These include direct factors that affect the activities of the region and are also affected by the impact of operations. For example, suppliers of goods and services, customers and the competitive environment, raw materials, finance, personnel, information system. There are also indirect factors that affect the economy in a certain territory. The constant change in laws, the rise in the cost of resources, customs duties, political instability, and others. So it is important to point out also the factors affecting socioeconomic sustainability depending on the type of impact, which are shown in the figure 2. Direct impact factors include labor suppliers, financial resource providers, information resource providers, material resource providers, consumers, and competitors. Indirect impact factors include state of the economy, natural factors, social political factors, regulatory and legal factors. There are other factors that can affect the economic development and social economical sustainability of the region, as for example, political system of the country and levels of the domestic investment. Developing regions that can attract domestic investment can see significant growth in development thanks to higher levels of capital and the benefits of attracting multinational companies to their economies. For the newly industrialized countries, domestic investment has played a significant role in accelerating the economic sustainability of the development. At the end of my presentation, I would like to point out some conclusions. First, the regional factor and the dynamic development of regions have a great influence on the processes of social economic transformation in the country. Second, today the priority of increasing the economic stability of the region is very important, since no concept of transition to sustainable development will bring the desired result without taking into account the regional component. Third, in addition to the components of socio-economic sustainability, it is influenced by various direct and indirect factors. It is necessary to improve all its components in a particular region, as well as to use favorably the factors affecting social economic sustainability. The unstable development of the region can lead to even more serious risks, which in the future will be difficult to solve. Thank you for your attention.